I'm Shane Curtin, sales representative for UD Trucks in Brisbane. This is our new model Quon, which is our heavy duty vehicle. Comes in 380 horsepower, 420 horsepower. This is the CW 26380. This particular truck is set up for tipper application. We've got a range of suspension options. The interesting thing about this truck, it incorporates the new 11 litre global engine, which is basically a Volvo design, fully built in and assembled in Japan. Uses the Escort 5 transmission, which is basically the similar unit to the iShift 12-speed auto shift, which is in the Volvo product. First time it's been installed in the UD. And this is the release of this vehicle at the show. If we walk around, this particular truck is spec'd up with Alcoa alloys. Standard wheels are 10 stud steel rim, come down the side. Got the mounting of the spare wheel and tyre setup under the air tanks. This particular truck, 6-rod spring suspension, ideal for tipper application, gives better travel of the axles when they're off the road. We also do offer airbag suspension as well. This particular truck set up with a steel tipper body, manufactured in Sydney, includes ring feeder. This particular truck set up to tow a dog trailer. These are rated to 55 tonne GCM. Comes standard 400 litre tank. On different models in this range, you can spec up a second 400 litre tank. I use the SCR system AdBlue. Got the AdBlue tank here. In between these two, got the PTA tank for the tipper on this particular truck. Coming up to the vehicle, very modern cab, been described as the best interior of any Japanese truck, and including some European ones. Driver's airbag is standard. Remote central locking, air conditioning, power windows, power steering, Bluetooth, sat nav is standard in this particular truck, ADR approved sleeper, so new air suspension seat, so very comfortable truck to drive, and with the new 11 litre and 12-speed auto shifts, it's a very, very great package. So available in 380 or 420 in rigid or prime mover. I'm Shane Curtin from UD Trucks in Brisbane, and thanks for watching.